Hello, welcome by Eurohorse Western Riding Supplies. Today we're going to show you how to use the dry cleaning sponge from 5-star and the saddle pad cleaning soap from 5-star. First we open the sponge and then we're going to go gently with the sponge with the turning movement like this, and you rub all the hairs out of the pad. You see how easy it goes. You see the whole hairs popping up like this. You see we have the pad hanging like this. It's really important to do it like that. If you spray it in, then all the dirt is gonna float out down like this. So you have the best results with cleaning your pad. So just the only thing we just need to do is hose the pad down and let it dry for a while, and then it's ready to use again for the horses. Nice and clean. You see how good the dirt get off the pad? That's why it's easy to hang it as we did, to make sure that all the dirt nicely goes down. It's really important to do not use a high pressure washer, because if you do that you can tear apart the structure of the pad and make weak spots, so you definitely gonna get a sore spot on the back of your horse, and that's the thing you really don't want to have. So if you have done the downside of the pad, you just simply hose the top part as well, just to make sure that all the dirt went down the pad. And then you can put it on a saddle stand like this, or use a rack to put it on and let it dry. And then after a day, you can see the pad is completely clean, no sweat spots. So yeah, perfect.